Hey guys, Ashley Anderson here from Style 608. I figured I would just do a video of an unboxing. So we're gonna do this together of my FabFitFun summer box. So we'll go through everything and we'll find all the surprises together. So when you first open the box, you always get this like pamphlet magazine and it tells you everything that's in it. If it's a styling piece, it shows you how to style it. Talks about each thing, very in-depth, lots of pictures and how-to tutorials. They also have a FabFitFun TV, which I think is really cool. There's a bunch of recipes and how-tos, decor things and stuff like that in there. This time around, it looks to be like a lot of skincare stuff, which I'm totally in with, so really? That's gonna happen frequently because I'm on the floor in my living room. So, when we first go and open, the first thing I see is Jennifer Zuner jewelry. This was a choice item, so I got to pick between this and like a few other things, but this is a gold star necklace. It does measure, I think this is 16 inches, and it does have one of those lobster claw clasps in the back. It's really cute, actually really pretty. The gold is a little bit yellow than what I'm used to. I'm just comparing it to my watch. It would be great for the 4th of July. Next thing I see is a Grace and Stella, I don't even know what this is. Spray All Day Rose Spray Hydrating Rose Facial Spray. Oh, this was another choice item as well, and I love anything rose scented, so I'm all about this. This is a huge box, or a huge bottle, and I just sprayed it and it smells fantastic. By the way, that Jennifer Zuner necklace is $50. Okay, next up are these hair scrunchies. I use these all the time. I don't have any light ones like this, and they get really stretched out after a while, so I'm really happy to see there's 6 more of those, so probably end up losing a few, but that's okay. All right, next up is Wish Powerfully Effective Naturals, Coconut Milk and Verbena. Oh, I love that scent. Exfoliating Foot Mask. It smooths and softens. So that's this. Packaging is pretty cool. I have a bunch of Wish products too, which I really like. It's for intense hydration because these puppies are, let's just say we need a pedicure. Okay. Oh, so good. So good. I love that. Okay, super excited. Next up is Ayeko. I never know how to say this, but I have a bunch of their products, and a bunch of them are like eyeliners and stuff because their tips on their pens are so fine and they work so well if you're doing a wing. So I'm not even gonna open this up because we all know what a liquid eyeliner looks like, but it looks like this. I'm really excited to try that actually. Next is something from Kula, and it's SPF 50 or 30. Ashley, a makeup setting spray. So this is makeup setting spray, contains 70% organic ingredients. That's great. And it has a broad spectrum 30 SPF in it. That is wicked cool. All right, this is some intense packaging. For real? Ooh, oh, I love the bottle. It's glass. This is so pretty. I love the color. It smells like sunscreen. I don't know if I'm gonna like that. Damn. And it sounds like a rattle. Oh, there is a little bead in there. I don't know if you can see it when I move this. Interesting. Oh, I guess because there's sunscreen in it, you need to keep it mixed. That's weird. Okay. Anyways. Next, ooh, indigo tie-dye bowls. These are from West Elm. I love this pattern and I think it's so pretty. These are so cute. They are measuring cups. It's a set of 3. They're stoneware, dishwasher, and microwavable. Oh my gosh, these are adorable. This looks like something you'd get on a wedding registry. So there are 3 inside there. They're stacked like the Russian nesting dolls in here, and they're really pretty. They're all the same pattern. No, they're not. I lied. Okay, then now that means we have to look at them all. We need to know. So this one has a cute little line pattern. Okay, they are the same on the inside. See? All different on the outside though. These are really cute. I don't have anything, I have a lot of navy in my living room, but not in my kitchen, but I think these will fit nice. Ooh, and the last piece, or the last thing that was in my FabFitFun box is my marble blow dryer. This I really, really wanted. This was a choice item. This is a travel hair dryer, which is so perfect because who wants to lug around their monster in a large suitcase? Oh my God, this is the cutest thing. This is so cute. Oh my God. And it comes with little attachments too. So it's got the diffuser and the blowout nozzle thingy. I don't know the technical term, but this is like a soft touch. It's so interesting, but this is perfect. Oh my God, I'm so excited about that. Yay. So So that's literally everything that came in the box. I know that was super quick. I'll go over prices here in a second. So usually there's a little bit different layout every time you get this magazine. Everything is color coded at the bottom, so there are certain things that come in every single box. There are a grouping of things that are choice items and something else that is a select item. So the travel blow dryer is a customizable piece, so you could pick between 3 or 4 things and that's what you would get. So that is $60, which really isn't bad for that. Total value of this box is between $369 and $467, depending on what you chose, which is absurd because they advertise that it's like over $200. Well, this is like ridiculously well over $200. So, wow. There's facial masks that you could have picked from. There's a robe on here, one of those letterboard things that everyone can get in the dollar aisle, so don't waste your time on that. The travel blow dryer, there's a towel, the measuring bowls. There's also some hair care in here as well that you could have picked from. Jennifer Zuner jewelry. These were really cool, and I debated adding these, were the silicone wine glasses. I have a picnic basket that I have plastic ones in, but they have stems on them and they fall over so easily. So those would have been really cool, and they come with a travel case too. Tie-dye bowls, the group of 3 is $39. 2 silicone wine glasses are $25. The liquid eyeliner is $22. The invisible duo, where did I put them? These guys are $16. The facial spray is $26 and the foot mask is $32. So everything in here is pretty good quality and you get full-size products. So this is a well worth the money. So I did want to clarify the select versus customized situation. So there are certain things that come in every single box. So there's probably a handful, like 3 or 4. So in this one, there are 4 different things that come in every single box. And those things are the invisible duo bands, the hair scrunchies, the brightening mask, which I didn't even get. Did I? Huh. Just kidding. It was buried. I got it. Okay, so this is Generation Clay Brightening Purple Clay Mask. Ooh, ultraviolet. You were fine. Brighten, illuminate, and nurture. Sorry, off topic. That comes in every box. The scrunchies come in every box. The rose facial spray comes in every box, and so does the foot mask. So the difference between select and customize, now we're coming full circle, is if you have a VIP membership, you get additional customizations that you can go in and add. Otherwise, FabFitFun picks it for you and you just get what you get. All members, there are certain items that all members get to choose from, and those are your customizable pieces. So that includes, if you wanted the blow dryer, there's the towel, the moisturizing cream, there's hair gel in there, the kimono, the facial treatment mask, the tie-dye bowls, which is what I chose, the diamond tote with the rope handle, the letterboard was another one, resistance bands, the jewelry was another one, and then the wine glasses. If you want to add anything additional, it's just another $10. So I could have added the wine glasses for $10, even though they retail for $25. So it's a pretty good deal if you want to add on some additional things. Then select members, which are the VIP ones that pay for your year in advance, you get to then choose between eyeliner, the Living Proof Nourishing Styling Cream, and then a healing balm, the Kula setting spray, the makeup setting spray, and a refining micro polish. It pays to buy your year in advance. I know it's a lot, but it's been really nice knowing that I can just get all of these items already taken care of. So I just pay the $175 to begin with, and then I just get 4 boxes throughout the year, and it's like Christmas 4 times a year. Well, 5 times a year if you're actually including Christmas. I really like it. I'm really happy to see the skincare stuff in here. I'm really excited about this rose spray. What do you think, bud? Oh, that's nice. That's nice. That concludes this video. So I hope you guys found this useful. Happy to do unboxings. Just let me know in the comments below. And I will see you all next time.